Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead. The truth is, relying only on a paycheck often keeps people trapped in the cycle of poverty. But here's the good news. Starting the right kind of business can completely change your financial future. Today, I'm going to share 20 powerful business ideas that have the potential to pull you out of poverty and put you on the path to financial freedom. These aren't just theories, they are real opportunities that people are using right now to build wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your money, grab a notebook, because this might be the most important video you watch this year. And hey, if financial freedom is your goal, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss life-changing money tips. Alright, let's dive in. 1. Freelance digital services platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming. If you know graphic design, writing, video editing, or social media management, you can turn your skills into cash without needing a huge investment. 2. Dropshipping. You don't need to own inventory to run an online store. With dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers and they ship it for you. Start small, test products, and scale up. 3. Print on demand. Love creative designs. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases online. The supplier prints and ships only when someone orders, so there's no risk of unsold stock. For affiliate marketing, instead of creating products, promote other people's products and earn commissions. Big companies like Amazon, Walmart, and even digital course creators have affiliate programs. 5. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. At first it takes time, but later you can monetize with ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Many people started with zero and now make six figures. 6. Online tutoring. Education is shifting online. If you're good at math, English, coding, or even music, you can teach online and get paid. Websites like Wisent or Tutor.com are great starting points. 7. Virtual assistant. Businesses are outsourcing tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you're organized, you can make steady income helping entrepreneurs remotely. 8. Social media management. Every small business needs a social media presence, but most owners don't have time to handle it. If you can create engaging posts and grow accounts, you can charge $500, $2,000 per client per month. 9. Cleaning services. Simple but highly profitable. Residential or commercial cleaning doesn't require fancy equipment, just dedication and consistency. Start small, expand as demand grows. 10. Lawn care and landscaping. If you live in suburban or rural areas, this is gold. People will always pay for a well-kept lawn. Start with a mower and trimmer, then expand into landscaping projects. 11. Food delivery or meal prep. Homemade meals, healthy snacks, or cultural cuisines can be sold locally. Apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats also allow you to deliver food part-time while building your own brand. 12. Mobile car wash and detailing. Instead of people going to a car wash, bring the service to them. All you need is basic supplies, and customers love the convenience. 13. Trucking and delivery services. If you can get a van or small truck, local delivery for furniture, groceries, or even moving services can bring in great money. 14. E-commerce with handmade goods. Got a creative side? Sell handmade candles, jewelry, or crafts on Etsy. People love unique personal items and are willing to pay extra for them. 15. Fitness coaching. The fitness industry is huge. You don't even need a gym. Train clients online, create workout programs, or start a fitness YouTube channel. 16. Real estate wholesaling. You don't need to buy property to profit from real estate. With wholesaling, you find deals and connect buyers and sellers, taking a fee in between. 17. Rental business. Rent out tools, party equipment, or even your spare room on Airbnb. People pay big money for temporary use of items they don't want to buy. 18. Mobile repair services. Broken phones, laptops, or appliances are everywhere. If you can learn repair skills, you'll always have paying customers. 19. Daycare or babysitting. Parents are always looking for trustworthy childcare. Starting small, from your home and building credibility can turn this into a solid business. 20. Digital products, ebooks, online courses, or templates. Once created, they can be sold over and over again with almost zero extra cost. Pure profit. Now, listen carefully. You don't need to start all 20 businesses. You just need to pick one that fits your skills, your situation, and your passion. Every millionaire started somewhere small. What separates the wealthy from the poor isn't luck, it's the decision to start. If you're serious about escaping poverty, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one business idea from this list and write it in the comments below. If you found value in this video, smash that like button. It helps more people see this and change their lives too. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful money and business tips every single week. Remember, poverty is not permanent, but action is the only way out. The question is, will you act today?